Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Shopify store to your Facebook page. Really simple and easy to do. So you just want to start off on your Shopify page here, and I do recommend logging into the Facebook page that you want to add to your Shopify store. So I recommend being logged in on both just because it makes the process a lot easier. But once you're logged in on both, you just want to go over to Shopify and then head over to where it says Sales Channels and just click on this little plus icon right here. And that's going to show you all the sales channels that you have on Shopify. So if we just scroll down on here, we want to find Facebook, and then just click on this little plus option beside Facebook, and then we'll add that sales channel to our Shopify store. Once we're on here, we just want to click on the Connect Account option. And then if you're logged in, all you're going to have to do is just add your password again. So I'll go ahead and type in my password, and then it will connect right away. This is why I recommend logging in first, just because it makes this process a lot easier. So you just want to go through all these options here. Just click OK to add it. And then it's going to ask you to add your shop domain to install the app. So you want to go ahead to your Shopify store and open that up. Copy your domain name. And then we'll head back over here and then put paste and install. So we'll just give this a second to install. And then what we want to do here is we want to connect our business manager. So you want to go ahead and click on connect on the business manager that's linked to that account. And then you will see all your pages here on Facebook. This is where you will decide what page you want to connect to your Shopify store. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one right here. And then we'll be connected to our Facebook page and it'll be all set up. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to add your Shopify store to your Facebook page. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.